Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 worst fruits for eczema healing. If you didn't already see it, I already put out the 5 best fruits for eczema healing. So we're going to just jump right in and start talking about it. The number 1 worst fruit for eczema is tomatoes. Crazy, right? So tomatoes are actually what's called a nightshade. And nightshades include things like eggplants and peppers, and this is actually really harmful for people who deal with inflammation and leaky gut, which people with eczema are. So tomatoes are really also high in something called lectins, and a lectin is a protein that basically eats at our intestine lining. Boo! So that is number 1, and now we're going to go straight on to number 2, which kind of goes along with the same idea, and that is goji berries. Crazy enough, goji berries, which are these, are just like these little tiny dried berries, and they are also nightshades, and they also are extremely harmful for those who are trying to heal their eczema. Number 3 is oranges, and you might think, but oranges are really high in vitamin C. Well, they're actually, they're not that high in vitamin C. The highest fruit in vitamin C is papaya. And if you saw my last video, kiwi is another one of those. So oranges are actually really high in acid, and if you're trying to heal your gut, and especially if you have symptoms of IBS or GERD or acid reflux, oranges are not your friend. Number 4 is dates. Everybody loves dates, right? If you don't even know what a date is, it looks like this. It's just this dried, chewy fruit thing. And a lot of people use it to create like protein bars and stuff, and it makes them very like chewy and stick together. And while it's great for baking, if you're in stage 1 eczema, be very careful. It is one of the highest fruits in salicylates. And if you don't know what a salicylate is, go back and watch my what is eczema video. I'll put a card up above. But basically, if you're trying to heal your stage 1 eczema and you're really, really extremely itchy, eating a date will make you feel worse. Number 5 is something called a lychee. And they are pretty popular in more like Asian countries like China. So a lychee is these little balls of goodness. They taste so good. But if you're in stage 1 or stage 2, really try to avoid lychees. Do not eat them. They have 29 grams of sugar in just a cup. A cup, for people who are in different countries, a cup is maybe like this big, like that big. Do not eat them. We are trying to create an environment that's very alkaline, and sugar in your body is acidic. So alkaline means that the pH of your body, so whether your body is acidic or basic, we want a more basic environment because cancer cells can't thrive there, inflammation can't thrive there. So try to reduce the amount of sugar that you eat in a day. So if you wake up and have a bowl of oatmeal with a bunch of fruit in it, maybe find a new breakfast because that has a lot of sugar in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed finding out what the 5 worst fruits for eczema are. It obviously depends on what stage of eczema you're in. If you haven't seen that video, check out my stages of eczema video. Also, I'm very excited because on my website I launched a shop, and you can actually find all the products that I talk about, all the supplements, the books, different types of food, so I will link that down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.